Nagbabagang balita! Nag-jumping jack si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos habang naglalakad papuntang new executive building sa Malacanang para sa kanyang press conference ngayong Lunes, April 13 na lang. I cannot, hindi ko siya matagalog eh. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Pero, I think may mga articles naman join na, na nagsasabi na it doesn't mean that you are physically fit ay healthy ka na. Because there are hidden diseases that can exist even though you have good body, etc. And sometimes etong mga ganitong mga mga things like kasi may issue, so syempre pwede niya patunayan sugar rush ba dyan, or siguro adrenaline rush, pwede din, kaya nagagawa niya yan. Pero sige na lang, pero sana Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, to better para masampal mo talaga kami ng katotohanan, President Marcos, sana ipakita mo yung medical records and hair follicle testing result mo. Yun lang, we're just asking, 'di ba? Kasi if you are really healthy mentally, physically, that you're able to perform your job, ma-show mo naman yan sa public eh. I mean, you don't need to hide it if wala kang tinatago.